Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will explain why Webflow is one of the most important no-code skills that you can learn in 2025 and how it can open up the huge opportunities whether you are a freelancer, entrepreneur or any creative professionals. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, we have the demand in these that is skyrocketing. So businesses want websites that look professional, load fast, and don't require any expensive developer teams. So Webflow lets you design and build those websites visually while still creating clean and production ready code. With Webflow, you can design, develop, and even host a website all in one platform. That means you can launch the project weeks faster than the traditional coding methods and still customize every pixel. Now, if you can use the designs like Figma or Canva, you can learn Webflow too. You don't need to master HTML, CSS, or JavaScript in order to create the advanced animations, responsive layouts, and even the e-commerce stores. The freelancers are charging premium rates for Webflow projects like from $1,500 to $5,000 per website. Plus, agencies and the startups are also actively looking for the Webflow experts to join their teams. So in 2025, Webflow isn't just another tool, it's a career accelerator. So if you want to design faster, build better, and open more doors, this is the skill that you can learn now. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.